Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about AI, artificial intelligence. AI is so powerful that it could even change the world. There's an amazing website that is using AI and it's unbelievable. This website could even tell us the things we don't even predict. The AI will revolutionize the future of the world. This website can generate you blog posts, articles, and video ideas as well. So first off, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so you don't miss out on my future videos. So without wasting your time, let's get into it. First, go to Google and search for ChatGPT. Open this first link and then you have to sign up or login. This is an OpenAI website. Now, on this website, you can search for anything. You can search for new ideas, you can search about information, you can search about the programming languages. If there is an error in your programming language, you can just paste it here and it would solve it automatically. So, this AI is trained to decline inappropriate requests and it allows user to provide follow-up corrections. So just search for the thing you are looking for. For example, I am going to search about the climate change. So let's search what is climate change, and then you could see it is generating the results for you. Now let's search for another term. For example, what is the future of climate change, and then you can see it is generating the results. It says that it is difficult to predict the exact future of climate change as it depends on many factors such as the amount of greenhouse gases that are emitted and how effectively they are mitigated. Alright, now you can search for other things. For example, you want to write a blog post about health and productivity, so you can ask 10 tips about health, and then it is so professional that it would generate 10 tips for you. Here you can see it is generating the tips for you, and now you can just copy and paste this into your blog post. And if you are a YouTuber, then you can use this tool as well. For example, you can search for YouTube video ideas about productivity, and then it is generating the ideas for you. For example, how to create a morning routine to set yourself, tips for staying focused, and the benefits of time blocking. And here it has generated you 10 productivity ideas that you can use to create your videos on. So now you can see what this AI website is capable of. Here are some other things are available. So if you want to join the Discord group, then you can join it, OpenAI Discord group. And here are some limitations of chat GPT. It may occasionally generate incorrect information. It may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content, and it have a limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So in short, this website is very useful. You can use it to generate new ideas. It can enhance your information, it can enhance your knowledge, and you can do many things with this website. Just check out this website and hopefully you will like it. That's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Take care.